Welcome to Intel Team Ohio. We're so excited to be part of the Silicon Heartland. I'm standing on the nearly 1,000-acre property in Licking County, where Intel will soon build 2 new state-of-the-art chip factories. Intel's Ohio factories, or fabs, will be the company's first brand new U.S. manufacturing site in more than 40 years.
Intel saw in Ohio what Ohioans see every single day. It's a great place to live, to raise your family, but to also have a successful career, successful business. And Intel saw that. Ohio was built for this opportunity.
Ohio is an ideal location for Intel's next fab because of its access to top talent, its robust, extensive infrastructure, and its long history as a manufacturing powerhouse.
Just like in Oregon, Arizona, and New Mexico, an Intel fab starts as an empty plot of land. Within a few years, thanks to the hard work of thousands of people and billions of dollars invested, the result is one of the most advanced tech facilities on Earth.
Well, semiconductors are a part of everything that we do in our everyday lives. They help keep us connected, and so we're really excited about the opportunity to be able to make them right here in the state of Ohio.
Ohio joins Intel chip manufacturing sites at 3 other U.S. states and a global factory network spanning Europe, Asia, and Central America.
I cannot tell you how happy and proud I am that Intel has chosen Ohio for this great honor.
Building a fab is a construction marvel. Intel's 2 Ohio fabs will create 3,000 high-tech jobs, 7,000 construction jobs, and thousands more jobs in the supply chain and in local communities.
They're going to bring a lot to our culture. They're going to bring a lot to our economy. And we'd like to think that Ohio is going to make them a better company.
One fab alone requires 35,000 tons of structural steel, or 5 times the weight of the Eiffel Tower. A clean room can be as large as 4 football fields and hold more than 1,200 advanced multi-million-dollar chip-making tools. All of this to create the most complex technology on Earth, a computer chip like this, often not much larger than your fingernail. Intel is one of the few remaining chip companies in the world and the only American one that does it all in-house: design, manufacture, ship, and sell. And now, we couldn't be more excited to join you all in Ohio.